In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video background in Framer, step by step, so you can turn a plain frame into a clean, modern background using a video fill. This is a great way to make your website sections feel more dynamic, more polished, and much more engaging without needing any complicated setup. If you're building a landing page, portfolio, or product site in Framer, this technique can really help your design stand out. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Framer tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Framer project. Once you're inside the canvas, you'll want to create a frame or select an existing one that you want to turn into a video background area. To do that quickly, press F on your keyboard and draw out a new frame on the page. If you already have a section built, you can simply click on that frame instead. The important part here is that you are working with a frame because that's what will hold the video as its background. After you have the frame selected, look over to the right-hand properties panel. This is where you'll find all the styling options for the selected element. Now go to the fill section. Fill is where you control the background of the frame, and this is the key step in adding your video. Instead of using a plain color or image, you're going to insert a video as the fill. Next, click Insert. From the options that appear, choose Video. Framer will let you place a video into the fill area, which means the video becomes the visual background of the frame. Once you select the video option, choose the video you want to use and add it into the frame. Make sure it's placed correctly inside the frame so it covers the section the way you want it to. Now that the video is inside the frame, you'll see that the frame's background is no longer just a flat color. The video is now acting as the background, giving your section motion and life. This can instantly make your design feel more premium and more interactive. If the video doesn't fit exactly the way you want, you can adjust the frame size, reposition the content, or fine-tune the video settings depending on how your Framer project is structured. A good tip here is to make sure the frame is sized properly before or after inserting the video. That way, your background section looks balanced on desktop and mobile. If you're using this for a hero section, for example, you may want the video background to fill the full width of the screen so it creates a strong first impression, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can create a video background in Framer by opening your project, creating or selecting a frame, going to fill in the right panel, clicking Insert, choosing Video, and placing it inside the frame. From there, your frame will use the video as its background, which is a quick and effective way to improve the look of your design. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Framer guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.